Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you TaskRabbit tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So TaskRabbit stands as a versatile platform offering a multitude of opportunities for individuals looking to leverage their skills and available time. Navigating the website reveals the extensive array of projects available in the local areas, ranging from furniture assembly to mounted TV installation, shelf arrangements, aiding home moves, and assortment of cleaning services. Now, for those possessing specific skills or a knack for hands-on tasks, TaskRabbit opens doors to a diverse and rewarding set of opportunities. The process of using TaskRabbit is designed for users' convenience. By clicking on the Become a Tasker, individuals can seamlessly create an account. The platform's commitment to the accessibility is evident through the dedicated mobile apps for both iOS and Android, providing a user-friendly experience that is supported by a positive ratings on both the App Store and Google Play. Now, building a comprehensive profile emerges as a crucial step in establishing a prominent presence on TaskRabbit. Users are encouraged to list all their skills, emphasizing even seemingly minor ones. This inclusive approach enhances the likelihood of matching with tasks that align with individual abilities, as clients often search for specific skills when seeking assistance. While the platform entails a one-time registration fee of $25, TaskRabbit ensures users that this investment contributes to an optimal service experience, offering support and assistance whenever needed. The flexible work model accommodates a range of individuals, from students to those seeking to embark on a side hustle, although the platform is currently limited to the United States geographically. It compensates by providing robust safety measures, including insurance, coverage, and dedicated support teams. Taskers have the assurance of a safety net while navigating tasks. Setting up a schedule and defining the work area are vital steps for the taskers to enhance their visibility and appeal to potential clients. Reviews and ratings play a critical role in shaping the user's reputation on the platform. Influencing clients' decision, taskers are encouraged to set reasonable price initially, with the potential to gradually increase rates as positive reviews accumulate, reflecting a commitment to quality service. In conclusion, TaskRabbit not only offers a dynamic platform for freelancers but also serves as a testament to the evolving gig economy. Despite its US focus, the platform's adaptability, commitment to safety, and reliability make it an attractive and empowering option for those seeking flexible work opportunities in a diverse array of task categories. TaskRabbit emerges as a facilitator of connections, bridging the gap between task seekers and skilled individuals and empowering freelancers to shape their professional journey. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.